Hey there, Antonio from Ped Recruiting here. If you run a business or manage a team, you already know how challenging it can be to juggle projects, track time, and handle invoicing all in one place. That's where project management tools come in, and today we're taking a deep dive into Paymo, a platform that promises to streamline everything from task management to billing. Now, there's no shortage of project management tools out there. You've got Trello, Asana, Monday.com, and a ton of others. But Paymo stands out because it combines project management, time tracking, and invoicing into a single platform. That sounds great on paper, but how does it actually hold up in real-world use? In this video, we're doing a full Paymo review. I'll break down the pros, the cons, and whether this tool is the right fit for your business. And hey, if you want more insights to the best tools for managing teams, Paired Recruiting is always here to help. Let's get into it. Paymo is an all-in-one project management tool designed for freelancers, small businesses, and agencies that need an efficient way to track work, manage tasks, and bill clients. Unlike other platforms that focus on either task management or invoicing, Paymo tries to bridge the gap by offering both, making it particularly useful for service-based businesses. At its core, Paymo has three main functions: project management, time tracking, and invoicing. The project management side helps teams organize tasks, collaborate, and set deadlines. Much like Trello or Asana, the time tracking feature allows you to monitor billable hours in real time, which is perfect for freelancers and agencies who charge by the hour. And finally, the invoicing system lets you generate invoices based on track time or fixed rates, ensuring you get paid accurately and on time. On paper, Paymo sounds like the ideal tool for businesses that need an integrated workflow. But as with any software, it's not perfect. Some users love it, while others find it lacking in certain areas. Let's break down the pros and cons to see where it shines and where it falls short. Let's start with what Paymo does well, because there's a lot to like. One of the biggest strengths of Paymo is its all-in-one functionality. Most businesses use separate tools for project management, time tracking, and invoicing, which can lead to a messy workflow. With Paymo, you get everything under one roof, reducing the need for third-party integrations and keeping your processes streamlined. Another major advantage is built-in time tracking. Unlike platforms like Asana or Monday.com, which focus only on task management, Paymo allows you to track time seamlessly. You can start a timer directly from a task, ensuring accurate billing without needing an external time tracking tool. This makes it a great option for freelancers, consultants, and agencies. Collaboration is another area where Paymo excels. The platform offers real-time communication, file sharing, and task assignments, making it easy to keep projects on track. It also supports Kanban boards, Gantt charts, and task lists, so you can manage projects in the way that best suits your team. Finally, the invoicing system is a huge plus. Instead of manually creating invoices in another tool, Paymo lets you generate invoices directly from track time or set fixed price billing. It also supports multiple currencies, which is great for international teams. Overall, Paymo is a solid productivity booster, particularly for service-based businesses, but it's not without its flaws. While Paymo has a lot of strengths, there are also some downsides that might make you think twice before committing. One of the biggest complaints is that the interface isn't as intuitive as other project management tools. While platforms like Trello and Asana focus on simplicity, Paymo packs a lot of features into its dashboard, which can feel overwhelming for first-time users. If you're new to project management software, there might be a learning curve before you fully feel comfortable. Another downside is the limited integration. Unlike competitors like Monday.com or ClickUp, which integrate with hundreds of third-party apps, Paymo doesn't offer as many built-in connections. This can be frustrating if your team relies on specific tools like Slack, Salesforce, or QuickBooks and needs deeper automation. While Paymo's invoicing system is a great feature, it's not as advanced as dedicated invoicing software like FreshBooks or QuickBooks. If you have complex billing needs, you may still need a standalone accounting tool. Some users also report occasional glitches and slower performance when managing larger projects. Paymo works best for small teams, but for bigger businesses handling multiple projects simultaneously, it may not be as robust as the enterprise level requires. These drawbacks won't necessarily make Paymo a bad tool. It just depends on whether these limitations affect your specific needs. Now that we've covered the pros and the cons, the next question is, who is Paymo best suited for? If you're a freelancer, small business, or agency, Paymo can be a game changer. The ability to manage projects, track time, and generate invoices all in one place eliminates the need for multiple subscriptions. This makes it especially useful for service-based professionals like graphic designers, consultants, marketing agencies, and web developers who bill clients based on time worked. Small to medium-sized teams will also find Paymo helpful for collaboration on projects and tracking progress. The mix of Kanban boards, task lists, and Gantt charts make it flexible enough to fit different project management styles. However, if you run a large enterprise with complex workflows and integration needs, Paymo might not be the best fit. Its limited third-party integrations and occasional performance issues could make it feel restrictive compared to high-end solutions like Jira or Write. Similarly, if you need advanced accounting features, you may still need to pair Paymo with a dedicated invoicing tool. Ultimately, Paymo is a great choice for a team that wants an all-in-one solution without breaking the bank. So, is Paymo worth it? The answer depends on your needs. If you're looking for a streamlined way to manage projects, track time, and invoice clients, Paymo is an excellent option. Its all-in-one functionality is its biggest selling point, reducing the need for multiple software subscriptions. The built-in time tracking, flexible project management tools, and invoicing system make it a great choice for freelancers and service-based businesses. However, if you need a highly customizable project management tool with deep integrations, Paymo might feel limiting. The interface can be overwhelming at first, and the invoicing features, while useful, aren't as robust as standalone accounting tools. Large businesses with complex workflows may find it lacking compared to more enterprise-focused platforms. For the right users, though, Paymo delivers solid value at a competitive price. If you're tired of switching between multiple tools and want a simple, all-in-one solution, Paymo is definitely worth considering. So try it out yourself. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you used Paymo before? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you're looking for more insights on the best hiring and productivity tools, be sure to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.